Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel VishaLzFrames. Today we are here in Qurum Natural Park, which is the best park in the Muscat, and here there are two festivals going on. One is Muscat Flower Festival, which is happening for the first time, and one is Muscat Night Festival, which happens every year. Started from 23rd of December 2024. Muscat Flower Festival will end in 23rd January 2025, and Muscat Night Festival is extended to 1st February 2025. So those who have missed to visit these festivals, they can watch this video and enjoy it. The starting time is from 4 p.m. so it's just starting now. As I said, the Muscat Festival is happening for the first time. In that case, we should thanks to Muscat municipality for this amazing opportunity to everyone. I really hope this festival will be bigger in next coming years and it will be beneficial to everybody in Oman. You can see this Muscat Flower Festival is fully of botanical beauty and creativity presented by Omani and Singaporean floral designers. Yes guys, you heard it right. It was a collaboration between Omani floral designers and Singaporean floral designers. Singaporean floral designers, which was known by the name of Pico Group of Singapore, known for their expertise in large-scale floral showcases. And it is one more great steps taken by the Muscat municipality to support local floral artists, which will obviously gonna benefit them individually and then later on for the country, for the society. We must appreciate such great steps taken by the authorities to support locals, youths especially, because youths are the one who is the pillar of our society and our existence, and they are the one who's gonna take our identity, our culture to the next level in coming years. Once again, thank you very much for tuning in into this video, viewers. Watch the full video without skipping, because in this 18 minutes video I have tried to cover the beauty of this park and the flower festival and Muscat Night Festival. So keep watching, I'm sure you will have fun, or I would say you won't regret watching this video complete. As you can see, every design represents something from the nature, and it's very unique with the design and the presentation. It needs a specific place to be held so that it can look more vibrant. I think it will look more amazing in the dark night with the light effect. If you like it already, if you like what you are watching, please press a like button and you can share your feedback in the comment. I will appreciate it. Thank you. Now the festival event is not yet started fully. I am going to show you some area of the park. See, there is a lot of things to do for children. They can play sliding, swinging, blah 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 blah, a lot of the things here. Also, this is the reason why I said in the beginning, this is the best park of the Muscat. Oh, there is something going on. Let's check it out. Friends, this is Omani traditional dancing and singing. It is beautiful watching the different age group of people are doing this together to preserve their culture and tradition. This is the best thing we can do it today, because the culture and tradition are something that's more important and valuable than any kind of treasure in this world. Here is the little adventure section for kids. And here is the another side of the park. The area of the park is very large. There is no any other park in Muscat that has this big area. You can see this is a man-made waterfall, but it's beautiful. spending evening here, it's very beautiful. If you have a family here, this is the best place. I mean, the child can play, enjoy physical activity, you can relax, enjoy the evening sunset. It's beautiful here. This is the open stage in the park. This is where this water and laser show is happening. Tonight also, I think around 9:30 or 10, that's gonna be there. This place is looking so beautiful, so amazing here. It has always been amazing, but today during this festival season with the lights and everything, it's looking next level. This is why this park is the best park here in Muscat. It has a nice lake here, nice waterfall, you saw it. Nice gardens, flowers, the playing items for the children. You see this space, walk space. Here they can cycle, skate, run. The stalls are opening now. Almost 80% of them are open. These all stalls are representing small and medium sized enterprises of Oman. In fact, I got to know that the extension of the date of this festival till 1st February is to support them only, because every year visitors are growing in the numbers and it's good for the businesses. Wow, beautiful flowers. Sadly, I cannot buy it because it takes a lot of care, temperature, maintenance. It's very hard to keep them alive for a long time. A jewelry here, but I don't know if it is a gold, silver or what. Another flower shop. Flowers are always beautiful. A lot of tea, coffee, beverages and pastries are there. We tried one, coffee, cake and cookies. I like the coffee, cake, but not the cookies. It was not that good. Hello. Thank you. Some people are nice and humble, like that gentleman over there. It gives a positive energy to vloggers, but I'm the shy one. I don't know how to interact well that can be beneficial for my vlog. I must say I'm still in the training base. I'm still learning. I don't make vlogs often also, so maybe with the time I'll get it, but I need to do it more vlogs. Here is the photographic space for your next Instagram post maybe. Guys, do comment in this video how you are liking it, because we are enjoying it, we are having fun. I hope it's not going that bad with you as well, and if you want to support me, you can subscribe my channel. Right now we are heading towards Mara Land, City of Joy. This section is especially for children's. Let's see how it is. If you are living in Oman and not yet visited this natural Qurum Park, let me tell you, this Mara Land is a fixed part of this park, and you can visit any day and enjoy this, especially for the ones who have children, for families. Tick, tick, tick. This big wheel has a sufficient height to scare someone like me, but the speed here is slow. That makes this ride more enjoyable, relaxing. Otherwise, I have a horrible first time experience at my hometown in India. All the time I was shouting, stop, 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 stop. I think most of the people are having a memorable experience of their first time in ferry wheel. I have attached some old clips from April 2022. When I visited here with brother Pranay and his family, we spent many good times together and I will always be thankful for that.
Hi. Kapay na roti tin ma. Roti kapay na ba? Composition dami sa gito.
I hope you are enjoying this view of Muscat surroundings. Isn't it beautiful, guys? I'll love to hear your feedbacks. This outdoor amusement park was established in 2004 and it has more than 30 themed rides to enjoy. It is well managed with the shops of food and restaurants and bathrooms. You can come and enjoy with your kids. With more than 20 plus indoor games for kids, it has a large soft play lounge. And we are in the global village now. Let's see how it is. I have been to the Muscat Night before in Amerat Park and I have seen it. It was beautiful there. Let's see how it is here. I'll not go into the details, but let's take a quick look. Here is our India. Bharat Jai Hind. Namaste, salam. Oh, snacks. Jewelry. Again, food, spices, pickles. Some of the Indian attire. We Indian Gorkhas are not there. South Indian guy on the right is having two ladies, huh? Oh, here is the Nara, Japan. Interesting. Yamatocha. Hello. What is this, sir? Oh, it's a fan with your name in Japanese. We ended up purchasing some tea from Japan and they also gave us some tourism booklets. It's a nice idea. Camera. Small, yeah. Like this.
Why you buy this?
Social media, YouTube.
YouTube.
I will.
Very good.
Thank you.
This
SD?
Ayo?
SBO 4K.
In the Swiss, ano?
Yeah.
4K.
Accessories.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Come.
Ayun eh.
Yeah, go inside.
Uy, ano na yung olive oil? Namontor din na eh. Hello. Yes, yes. And I'm just starting to.
Oh, you're just starting. Yes.
It's a
Okay.
You're from
India.
India. You're from Kerala.
Okay.
So this is your
Lots of.
all the best.
Thank you.
We'll be there in your vlog, right?
Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, people are really sweet and humble, but what to do? I am the one who's in the wrong profession here. I cannot make a nice conversations. Now we are done with the Mara land and the global village and we are moving back to the streets. Let's see what we can find. Oh, dancing jokers here. This is the part of the flower show shining bright in the night. And here is the dances going on. Stage on fire, Punjabi dance. Sorry for the audio, we have to put it down because of the copyright. After enjoying several dances, this is the drone show and the Oman national flag is here. This is the first time I'm watching a drone show live. King of Oman, His Majesty Haitham bin Tariq.
صوبها مسقط خلا صوبها مسقط خلا يلا صوبها ام الحلا خلا زفوها الليالي وصلتت المدينة ما يجي الملل في بالي نتغص الملل في عينها خلا زفوها الليالي وصلتت المدينة ما يجي الملل في بالي نتغص الملل في عينها خلا مسقط خلا قمت بشبش خلا غن فيها وتمدن ترى لليلة لا خلا مسقط خلا قمت بشبش خلا غن فيها وتمدن ترى مسقط احساس الفؤاد حدي يا ورود البلد مكانها في البلاد وما في البلاد مكانها بلادي بلد هذه مسقطنا يا ناس هذه للحب عاصمة.
Yeah, show is over now and drones are leaving there. Bye bye. We are also leaving now because the laser and water show will take time. It will be around 10 p.m. So we are leaving now. Thank you for watching. It was really nice experience to come here with family. We enjoyed a lot and hope you also enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment your feedback. It will be lovely to hear your suggestions, ideas so we can grow together. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.